So we are back with success stories through CAT 2025. I have Riya Sharma with me, who has been one of the sincere aspirants with us. Riya, first of all, what is your background during bachelor's and what all calls did you have through CAT 25?
So I have done BSc in chemistry and I passed out in 2025. The calls that I received for interview were NMIS Mumbai, IRMA Anand, IMT and JTech Chennai.
What B school are you finally joining?
I'll be joining NMIS Mumbai for the HR program.
Great, great. So, first of all, any strong reason to consider HR, especially coming from BSc chemistry, non-math background? What made you choose HR?
So I've done a certain amount of internships in the HR background. Like I'm currently pursuing the HR internship in Sun Pharma. So from there, I had a little inclination towards HR, and since I got into NMIS HR, it was something I couldn't decline because it holds that amount of value. So I got into this program.
Great. If you can talk us through how did Career Launcher Vadodara help during your coaching or even mentoring? Any experiences that you want to share?
So after CAT, I was a bit disappointed with my score, but with the other mocks that we have on our portal, mostly for non-CAT and OMAT exam mocks like for NMAT, for SNAP, those were really good and very relevant towards the actual exam, and the teachers and the mentors like Hardik sir, Bhavan sir, Nikun sir, they always motivated us. And even after I was not able to perform well in my CAT examination, they kept my morale high and I was able to do well in my OMAT exams, through which I got into these college.
Good. Also, we used to conduct mocks at neutral venue, especially for CAT. Result, I would say, is what we have as a reality, but how did that help, or whether it actually helped or not?
Like CAT is the first exam that we appear for at the start of the season, and it has a lot of mental pressure for freshers like me. So these neutral venue mocks that we gave really helped us to release that pressure, and since it was relevant with the CAT examination of 2023, and we know that the CAT 2025 was more or less on the harder side in the difficulty. So it was, I found it very relevant, and it really helped me at the day of the examination, and I was mentally prepared for it.
Right. By any chance, did you attend RT99 or other such workshops done both online and offline by our head office team? Anything that you want to talk about those additional sessions beyond the regular coaching?
Yeah, so Shazil Shah sir came on CL Baroda Center, and there we attended the RT99 session. So it was basically previous year questions and mostly the quants and LR questions that were kind of difficult, and during those questions he told us his strategy of doing those questions, like not from the conventional way, but from his new techniques, tricks that he shared with us. Like we can even solve questions if we don't know that, if we are not aware of that kind of concept, especially in the LR. So the RT99 series really helped us, and there were a few questions in CAT which I was able to solve it through RT99. So I'm thankful to Shazil sir for that.
Perfect. Beyond the flowery things, हम लोग थोड़ा देसी जुगाड़, right? Shortcut tricks, वैदिक मैथ, इन चीज़ों पे भी फोकस करते हैं. द वे शी सेड कि काफ़ी बार अगर हमें फॉर्मूला नहीं पता, राइट, डेरिवेशन नहीं पता कि मेथोडिकली आंसर कैसे लाना है, वी वर्क ऑन फ्यू ट्रिक्स जहाँ पे बाय वे ऑफ एलिमिनेशन जाएं. एलआर के अंदर कुछ चीज़ें पजल सॉल्व करके नहीं हो रही हैं तो अदर वेज आउट क्या है. एंड सच वर्कशॉप्स add that extra value. आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जब सोचना है, फंडा बुक्स में से, मॉक्स में से हम प्रैक्टिस तो करते हैं, बट काफ़ी बार अप्रोच अगर एक अलग मिल जाए, क्या पता एक का दो आंसर और सही निकल जाए, इन चीज़ों पे भी हम लोग सेपरेट वर्कशॉप्स करते हैं, विच शी मीन्स टू शे हेल्प हर. Any suggestion for juniors or any fond memory with some or the other faculty member or any other staff member that you want to talk about?
Suggestions, I would say that keep your morals high, because we are the journey of MBA is really long, and these examinations are just a start of it. So you should not get demoralized if you could not perform in one or two examinations at your par. But if you'll keep your morals high, I am very sure that you'll be able to achieve what you want. And you should really focus on good mentorship, because like I said, it's a really long journey of 10 to 12 months. A good mentorship, a good platform would be really helpful, especially if you're an average student like me, not a straight A or not a 999 profile. You should focus on having good mentors which would guide you throughout this journey, and all the best. Fond memories, I would say the sessions that we planned, apart from CAT, like we had a session on RT99, and also Bhavan sir and Nikan sir's lame jokes in classrooms were really helpful to release that pressure. Thank you.
All study, no play makes Jack a dull boy. Yeah. So we keep it a balanced kind of culture, and glad that it helped you. Thank you for joining us today, Ria.
Thank you, sir.